Hello everyone, welcome to the next video of the playlist. If you haven't checked out the playlist, the link is in the description below. Today's session is about prepositions, the small words which create big differences. Almost all the students are facing problem in understanding these small words and create big errors in their sentences. Welcome to 9Mclasses. My name is Sukanya. Let's get started. As said, prepositions are small words which create big differences. So what do you mean by preposition, right? These small words are placed before a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. Okay, means the word itself says prepositions, means adding these words before the noun or a pronoun. Okay, so these prepositions are divided into three categories: preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction. So these preposition answers to these questions of where, how, and when. For example, the book is on the table. Where is the book? On the table. Okay. I will meet you at 5 p.m. When? At 5 p.m. Specificity. Okay. She is walking to the park. Where? To the park. Means it's a direction. Now let's simplify the three terms: preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of directions. Let's get started. Preposition of place. Preposition of place answers to the question where. Okay, so some common prepositions of place are in, on, at, under, between, beside, and behind. Okay, so the examples of prepositions of place are: the keys are on the table. Where? On the table. She is in the room. Where is she? In the room. The bag is under the chair. The bag is under the chair. He is sitting between his friends. Where is he sitting? Between his friends. Okay. So here is a quick tip. Okay. Use on for surfaces. Like for surfaces. Where is the phone? The phone is on the desk. On the desk. Use in for enclosed spaces. What do you mean by an enclosed space? It is covered from every side. Okay. For example, the milk is in the fridge. Where is the milk? In the fridge. Use at for specific points. Okay, means specificity. Wherever you say. Okay, she is at the door. Where is she? At the door. Okay, no confusion. Next is preposition of time. Preposition of time answers when. Okay, for example, I will meet you at 5 p.m. As already said, at means specificity, exact time. I will meet you at 5 p.m. She was born on Monday. When was she born? On Monday means specific day. Okay. Remember, specific day and date means on. Okay. Come to the next one. We go to school in the morning. We go to school in the morning means a part of the day. Part of the day means it's a longer period of time. So, longer period of time means in the morning, in the evening. Okay. He has been working here since 2020. Okay, means it's a starting point of something, right? This work must be done by tomorrow. By means before that deadline you have to complete it. Okay. Last but not the least, preposition of direction. Preposition of direction shows or answers the movement. Some common preposition of directions are to, into, onto, out of, and towards. Okay. For example, he is going to the market. To the market. Where is he going? To the market. She jumped into the pool. She jumped into the pool. The direction is very important here. Into the pool. The cat climbed onto the roof. Onto the roof. Okay. See, this is the meaning. Into and onto. Okay. They are walking towards the park. Where are they walking? Towards the park. The direction, the movement is towards the park. Okay. So, before ending the video of preposition, here is the quick tip. And after this tip, there is a small quiz session and you have to answer to the quiz questions down the comment section. And I will pin the right answers in the comment section. So, quick way to understand something, okay? This is on. Okay, whenever we are talking about the surface, this is a surface and this is on. Okay, this is on. And this is in. Why? Because now it is in an enclosed surface. Okay, and at specificity, at. Okay, now let's move on to the quick quiz session. The cat is dash the table, on or in. We met dash Monday, at or on. She went dash the room, into or to. He has been living here dash 2018, since or for. The keys are dash the bag, in or on. Don't forget to like the video if the concept was clear to you, and share this video with all your friends who needs to improve their preposition, and don't forget to subscribe. Wait for the next video. Till then, bye-bye.